Ever split a bill with friends only to realize one of you doesn't have cash? Or someone forgets to pay you back because you don't use the same app? We've all been there. That's why Chime's Pay Anyone feature exists. Hey there, I'm Roseanne, a Chime member since 2020, and welcome to Chime Guides. Today, I'll show you exactly how Pay Anyone works, step by step, so you can send money instantly, securely, and fee-free to anyone. Literally anyone. How cool is that? Let's go. Paying people back shouldn't be awkward, slow, or based on which app they have. Whether you're splitting rent, covering brunch, or paying for concert tickets, Pay Anyone lets you handle it instantly from your Chime app. No extra apps, no fees, no excuses. Let's start with how to pay someone who's already a Chime member. First, tap Pay, then the green Pay button. Enter their name, Chime sign, phone number, or email address. Chime members will have their Chime sign underneath. Enter the amount. Leave a message. Confirm those details. Then tap Pay. The money lands in their Chime account instantly. Just make sure you're actually paying the right person, because if not, the payment can't be reversed. Now, let's say you're sending money to someone who's not a Chime member. It's super easy. Here's how to do it. Open the Chime app and tap Pay at the bottom. Tap the green Pay button. Enter their email address or phone number. Type the amount you want to send. Add a message or emoji if you want. Review the payment and confirm everything looks good. Then tap Pay. They'll instantly get a secure link by text or email. When they open it, they just enter their debit card info, no Chime account needed. And boom, the money lands in their bank account right away. And yup, it's totally fee-free for both you and them. Just a heads up, their secure link will expire after 14 days. If it expires, the funds automatically return to your account. And if they do want to join Chime, the process is seamless. They can even open an account from that same link and may get a bonus when they sign up. So, why use Pay Anyone over other payment apps? Instant payments through Chime, no fees, works with anyone, Chime or not, it's built right into the Chime app, and it's super simple to split payments between friend groups, roommates, and coworkers. Ready to ditch the awkward "what app do you have" convo? Just Pay Anyone with Chime. So there you have it. Now you can send and receive money like the best of them. Better, actually. Hit like, drop questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Chime Guides.